am pissed. Pissed. Yes?
Do you not get the concept?
Okay guys, so the boys all ready and I am here trying to pick out some gym wear. So initially I wanted to wear like this pink set. If you guys know, this is like one of my favorite sets. But I don't know if I'm feeling the pink anymore. If I can take probably the black. I'm feeling the black, but I don't have a top to go with the black. But if I can mix like the pink and the black. Tell me if y'all are feeling this. So black bottoms, pink top, can work. Yeah, so alright, I guess I can work with this. Also need some socks. And guys, I have so many pink socks, like so many. Like if you're getting me socks, get me pink socks and down, because that's literally my face. I'm gonna go with these little, what are these, like some mushrooms on them. This is what I'm gonna rock this morning. So fit check. I also need to moisturize because I'm not moisturized as yet. And we're partially late, so let's keep that in mind. We're partially late. Guys, I don't know if you're seeing this, but I'm gonna name her Polly because listen, Polly, I cracked my style this morning. I woke up, well, yesterday or a couple days ago, and when I look, that was Polly, like right in my face. Like I don't understand why I'm getting breakouts at this point. So yeah, guys, so I rub the lotion on my legs, and then we can get dressed. Usually when I'm going to the gym, I don't really do much. I don't really do like a full skincare routine. I'm a moisturizer. I just lotion, and as usual I'm using my Estee Lauder moisturizer, like it's still going strong. I'm just gonna dab a little bit because it's early and I might come back home and do like thorough skincare, but for now we just do a little light just so we don't look too dry in the gym, okay? So enough talking. Oh my god, like here you go. Enough talking, let's get ready. Penthouse view, let some flowers in the room and make sure I look the door. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late, I'll be there for 5 o'clock. So apparently this only has one bra padding. Don't know where the other one is. I don't have time to go look for that right now, so let's just switch this top. Oh my god. Oh my god. This green one. Now let's try the green.
And Mr. Black.
This is the green. It's a bit small, I'm not gonna lie. It is a bit small. I feel like it has squeezed out my life, but this is the fit. Yeah, I think this can work. It should work. Boys, come brush your hair, please. Boys, they're literally watching Tab at this godforsaken hour.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna be late.
Yeah, we're gonna be late, but it's not my fault. I don't have no green socks, bro.
We're looking for green socks.
Yeah. I found these pink ones. That's where the pink one. Come brush your hair, man.
Me?
Yes, you.
Yeah.
Don't use that brush. Use the bigger one.
Which one?
Where is it? Check the dresser if you see it. And I'm wearing these sneakers. Easy to slide on. And I'm good to go. Come.
What is that?
Come on, so much. Need some look moisturizer or something in your ear, bro. Hold on. So I have this coconut curling cream. Use it in your hair from time to time. Come on, man. No, I'm gonna put it in your hair. It's for hair, not. It's for hair, not for skin. Jamir, come on, man. Alright, go get your backpack. Remember, you have a project in it, so be careful with it. Take out the project. You can't keep it in your hand. Come, brush your hair first. What's up?
Why didn't Javi get to put on your hair first?
Because when I was calling you boys, you didn't come. Only Javi came.
Mom, but why don't I have on myself?
No, you tell me. Jamir, hold on your head, no man. Tell me why you don't have my shoes. I need to know. No, either. I hope this don't keep riding up in the camera. Can't but I feel pull it down every minute and everything. Alright guys, let's go. Yeah man, I made your toast. Javi, take your lunch bag, please. Javi, get your lunch bag.
Mommy, what are you planning for lunch?
When you get to school, it's gonna be a surprise. What you think the surprise is, Javi? Nobody gonna know. Yeah, I made your toast because you asked for toast. I made the nuggets because you're always asking for nuggets. Alright, get your water bottles, please. Turn your backpack. Come on, here you go. And Javi, please don't forget your project. So this is Javi's abacus. The beads are inside his bags. Alright? Let's go. Good morning. Good morning guys. It is Monday morning. It is Monday morning. We're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and we're out and about to get our day started. We're running a little bit late as usual, like nothing new over here, okay? But that's how it is when you have to get 2 kiddies ready and yourself, and it's just very hectic in the morning. So yeah guys, we are on our way to school to drop off these kiddies. Jamir, you okay? Jamir, need more apple? Here you go. I don't have a lot of apple this morning, my love. So sorry about that. You have apple for breakfast. We also have some pieces of star fruit. Is it really had your star fruit? I sent star fruit for you the other day. So yeah guys, I'm just here to share a little word with you this morning because I woke up feeling like immensely blessed. Like, I guess I wake up feeling blessed every day, or I know that I'm a blessed individual. I know that my family is blessed. I know that my kids are blessed. We're all covered under the blood of Jesus. But today is just a little bit different because I've been going through some things. Like, yeah, we all go through things, you know. At the end of the day, we're all fighting our own battles. So I'm just here today to say, just be a little kinder. Not only today, but in general. Just spread a positive vibe. Just spread positive vibes wherever you go. Like, in this day and age, it is so easy to bring each other down, tear each other down, pick each other apart, compare yourselves to others. I want you to sit back all the way.
And he let go of your lunch from.
Either way guys, I'm going to take my own advice and be a little bit kinder, especially to Jamir, because seeing that him don't listen, I kind of snap at him sometimes. But Jamir, give me a hand, my love. I just want you to be safe. Give me hands. I just want you to be safe, okay? And mommy is sorry for snapping at you. Alright, I apologize. I just want you to listen, okay? Alright, sit back. So guys, hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys when I'm doing my workouts. Are y'all gonna let me out or not? The only thing that's right. Y'all gonna let me out or no? You're not gonna let me out? Hey, them taxi money are mean. The road kinda disgusting still. Now, I'm gonna be behind me. Finally, it has happened to me. Right in front of my face. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, that workout was a bust. I had zero energy, zero energy. I don't know what I was doing. Even Patrice come in there and see me and I said, no girl, do better. Because I was ready to pack up my stuff and leave. Like, but not telling her, like, some days, and I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, some days are so hard. I'm gonna say hard mentally, physically. I don't know if it's like the remnants of the weekend, because I was so, you know, busy over the weekend. I guess I used up all my energy. I was sewing, I was cleaning, you know, all the works, the weekend works, laundry, all of that. And last night I had a ton load of clothes to go and fold. I did that at about 10-11 o'clock. So just imagine. So this morning now, when me pick up myself, so me I come gym, my body was saying no. So I did what I could. I put in an hour. You know how effective that 1 hour was, but it's better than nothing. And I kind of up my cardio today, so even if I don't do nothing productive, I know I do look a cardio. I can't see nothing on our back. So yeah guys, I am now heading to Knutsford Express. I have a package to pick up. And this package has been there since like mid-month. Right, and we're at the end of the month. And one thing I forgot is that Knutsford actually charges a storage fee. So whenever you have packages there to collect and it's over more than 5 days, I think, they end up charging you a storage fee. I don't know how much the storage fee is, so I don't even know, but I am prepared to pay a little extra to collect the package. And I just couldn't get a chance to pick it up. I was just so busy, and Knutsford is kind of out of the way. It's not at a plaza that I frequent. I don't go there regularly, so I would not have like picked it up. The only time I usually go that side is like on a Friday when we get either fast food, pizza for the boys, or something. And as it turns out, the weekend, last weekend, or every weekend really, I've been using the bearer because the road has been so disgusting. I just use the bearer and let him like pick up my food for me and drop off and whatever. Like, I have not been on the road. There's also some unrest in my town, so they have like SOEs all over the place. So I wouldn't advise anybody to be on the road during this or these types of operations. So I've just been staying in. The kids have been home from school for about 2 days, and it's just pretty tense, so we're not trying to overdo it. So as I said, I'm gonna grab this package and then I can show y'all what's inside. I'm pretty excited for this package as well, because it's not something that I was expecting at all. But you know, they say certain things find you when you least expect it, so it's one of those things. Also, what I have to do this weekend is Javi's birthday is coming up, guys. Javi's birthday is basically at the beginning of February, and he wants to have a little class party, so I have to go and plan that as well. So where things are going, it's about to rain and I can barely see anything going on in front of me, so I'll catch you guys in a few.
Morning.
Guys, I'm in Knutsford and they say my package has been here 4 days overdue. So it's 5 days, them give a grace period. So I'm gonna pick up the package in like 9 days. It's like 1100. Oh, it's a little box. Little tiny box. Tap or insert? Shop. Thank you. Thank you. Heavy. Guys, I am pissed. Right? Because why did I just pay $1,100 to pick up a $700 package? So on a regular $700 for the pound. So this is it. It's just a small box, and as I promised, we're gonna open it up and see what is inside. Which one of them key here can open this now? Let's see. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly but surely, guys. But it's hard to open, man. I really need to get a box cutter. That's something that I've wanted to invest in for like, you know, ages. But yes, I can't use my keys. I can't use a knife. Like, do I really need a box cutter? So, almost open. Okay, got it. So this is how it's packaged. It has some like shredded paper for extra security. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but yeah, them pack it up with paper. So first off, well, let me say, guys, this little care package is from Liberton JA. So thank you, Liberton, for sponsoring today's video. So let's see what Liberton sent us over, shall we? So first we have their cinnamon ginger sauce. The truck is serious. Alright, so first up we have their cinnamon ginger sauce, and I've never seen this before, like cinnamon and ginger. Have to try this one. So if you don't know, Liberton, they do like seasoning sauces, your everyday essential for, you know, chefing it up in the kitchen. So if you haven't tried out their brand as yet, I definitely say go on ahead and try this one out, because the name alone already have a buzz. So next up we have the white wine garlic sauce, and as the name suggests, this one definitely going to have a buzz. I don't know what to use these on, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. They have like the nutritional facts around the back, like all the calories, ingredients and everything, and some suggested dishes. So I'm gonna see what I can pop this on and spice it up. And it says that it's a gourmet finishing sauce, guys. So yeah, this is it. Next up we have some minced turmeric, and it says real Jamaican minced turmeric. This is it. And I love a turmeric, especially on my curry, so I'll definitely be popping this on the next time I make some bomb curry chicken or curry goat. Because if you guys don't know, my first time trying out Liberton was actually over the Christmas season, where I went ahead and I made my curry goat. So if you guys caught Vlogmas, you would have seen where I used their seasoning, their blended seasoning. And guys, not tell no lie, I ain't no chef, so it must have been the Liberton season. Like, me not even a cap, right? So I'm gonna definitely try this out next time. And last but not least, we have their minced ginger. And guys, it has been so hard to find ginger. I love a good ginger on like my pork, my goat, all them thing. And from the other day, every time I start cook, I say, oh, I'm not having no ginger in the house. So I am so happy that they sent over some minced ginger, and it says the real Jamaican ginger. It's not a funky ginger, the strong ginger. And guys, this is just all the vibes. Wait, I think more things in the box now, people. More things in the box. I'ma say, I swear, say it done this. So we have some pimento seeds. I'ma see somebody say, oh, pimento seeds don't serve no purpose in cooking, but I disagree. I'm not telling no lie. I can taste when a pimento seed adds a little extra, you know, to the food, especially in the rice and peas, guys. I can tell when it has pimento and when it doesn't. So happy for this, because I personally don't really put pimento in my rice and peas or in my food in general. So I'm happy for this. And if you guys watch my previous vlog, like some time ago, you see I got some pimento, so I'm not gonna start using the pimento. I also got some cinnamon sticks, of course. I can definitely use this for like my porridge and stuff. So yeah. And they also sent over some little cards. Let me make sure that everything I take out of the box to the people. So they also sent over some little cards. So I see a business card here, I see promotional cards, and they also included a Liberton cinnamon honey smoothie. Guys, but I forgot to try this. They also have the berry turmeric smoothie. Liberton are going with themselves, you know, and I just love this idea. I'm definitely gonna try this out for you guys, so stay posted. So that is for a little car haul, guys. as it stands, the girl is starving, so I need to go home and make some breakfast. I don't know what I want for breakfast just yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So yeah, catch you guys when I get home. So guys, it's a little bit later on, and I kid you not, the sky is so overcast right now. Like, it legit looks like it's about to rain. Well, it was raining when I was on my way to Knutsford. It kind of stopped when I got there, but you know, I thought that was that. But I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty gloomy outside, and I hate when it gets gloomy because that's resting weather, and I don't have time to rest today. Speaking of, the time is moving so fast. Like, can you believe it's already 12 o'clock? How I fail to believe that we all have the same 24 hours, because I think some people's 24 hours moves a bit faster than others, because this can't be right? It's noon and I've barely gotten anything done. So I need to hurry up and, you know, get moving. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna call Sugar and Spice, which is our local bakery slash patty shop. They do like customized cakes, so like your birthdays and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna lie, Sugar and Spice has one of the best cakes, if not the best, like birthday cakes or cakes overall. I don't even know. So yeah, Javi wants a Sonic themed birthday cake. So we kind of need to do this in advance, because they're gonna like print the pictures and stuff on it. So let me call them and see what the prices are like. As it stands, we're trying to get like a medium-sized cake, not too small but not too big. It's really for a little cake cutting with his classmates, and probably what's left over we can have, because they're not a fan of cake. Like the boys, if you know, they don't eat cake, which is so weird, because most birthdays, we've had birthday parties before. Well, one big birthday party, and Javi didn't even touch a cake, so that was his 5th birthday. So after that, we're like, screw that, we ain't keeping over birthdays. Because what's the sense in having a birthday party if you're not going to enjoy it? If the birthday boy is not enjoying his birthday party like to the max, I mean cake, ice cream, activities, whatever, no, not our kids. So that's why we kind of focus on like experiences over anything else. So we're planning on taking them out, but he was adamant that he had to do a little cake cutting or a little class party. Guys, and it hurt me. The slugging thing ain't no joke. So yeah, he wants to do that, so I'm gonna order the cake and see if we can get it in time. His birthday is actually Sunday coming up, but we're gonna do the party on a Friday. So wish me luck, guys, wish me luck. Okay, let's see if I can call these people. What? They're saying call failed. I'm telling the people, hot commodity. Now they're saying that the line is busy. I should have probably called earlier, you know? Like when them just open, because I guess they would be busy now because it's around like lunchtime. I'm gonna try one more time and see. If not, I'm gonna call back later. Alright, this is definitely not working, so I'm gonna have to call them back later. I think I already know the process of what to do. All they're gonna do is ask me to send like an email with the details. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna search up some Sonic themed cakes and see what I can find. So these are there. It's giving. But I just want Sonic to be like on the top of the cake. But these are nice. I think Javi would love these. If it wasn't so last minute, we could probably get him one of these customized cakes. So the theme is Sonic 7. So I wanted to say Happy Sonic 7 on it. So I need to put those in the instructions. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So yeah guys, I'm gonna figure that out. And I can't even ask his opinion because he's at school. But I think he's gonna like it. Whatever mommy does, he's gonna like it. So I want to do something like this, which is like the regular cake with the Sonic image on top. And then we have candles and all that jazz. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm taking a little quick break to make a little snack because I don't know why, but I am starving. All you need for this little healthy snack, yeah, it's somewhat healthy, is some sardines, some sweet corn, and some cream crackers. I have the National original, the crispy ones. Like National did their big one when they made these crispy crackers. As I said, I need sardines. This is the one with hot peppers, and I prefer the boneless sardines. Less work for me because I'm gonna pick the bones out of this one. And then lastly, I need some sweet corn and, you know, your onions, tomatoes, and pepper. So yeah, let's make this little quick snack. And yeah, let's go. And guys, am I the only one who like picks out the bones out of the sardines? I'd love to know, because I know people who don't. Like growing up, I used to see my grandparents like leave it in, and they said it's like high in what, calcium is it? But I can do without this type of calcium. I swear to you, I hate it. I also take it out of my mackerel, like anything, any sort of fish that has like the bone in the middle. I go ahead and pick it out and take out some other disgusting things that I see in there, because I'm not having it. So yeah, take off some bone outside. Alright, so once you have your sardines ready, you're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut up some onions. I'm gonna have to take off the outer part of the onion. Don't ask me why, guys. I just do it. It's too thick and tough in my opinion. But yeah, we're adding onions, and I love my sardines with onions, like a whole lot of onions. I love it very crispy, where I can literally bite in the onions. And onions is something that I hated as a child. I tell my kids this all the time, like all the things that you hated growing up, you're gonna realize how delicious they really are in adulthood, and how they enhance dishes. Like I can't cook without these things. So yeah, this should be okay. Also adding some tomato, and sometimes I cut out the middle part of the tomato. I don't really like tomato like that. It's so funny that I love ketchup, but I don't like tomato. So yeah, this is not gonna use a lot of tomato. If I want to make it extra colorful, I guess. I think this should be okay. Yeah, that's okay. And last but not least, we're gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper. Not too much. Come on, I'm gonna eat this raw, guys. I'm also gonna add, where is it? Black pepper. Holy grail, like black pepper. If you know, you know. Yeah, and then we're just gonna mash this up. Get a fork and just crush it all together. So most people will just stop here, which is your basic sardine mixture. But you know me, I have to add some razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the sweet corn once it's mashed out to my liking. I like it real fine. I don't really like chunks, so I'm trying to mash it out as fine as possible. And then I'm gonna add my sweet corn. So I used this over the weekend, and I had this much left for this occasion actually. Perfect serving of sweet corn. Go in the mixture, and you can also add lettuce to this. If I was having it only, I'd add lettuce and some more veggies, but because I'm having it with the crackers, I'm not gonna add any lettuce this time around. I don't even know what to call this dish. Is it like a sardine salad or something? But yeah guys, this is how it's looking. I am all done with my sardine salad. I guess I can call it a sardine salad. Very delicious. I'll go ahead and leave the full ingredient list down below in my description if you want to try it out. And I actually got this ingredient from a co-worker, like at my first 9 to 5. Crystal, anyway, they big up yourself if you're watching this. She used to make this for lunch like every day, and I remember she used to work downstairs, and when Crystal called me up, you know, she used to just call me from upstairs and say, girl, come down, no, you know what that mean. So she used to bring this for lunch, and like everybody in the office used to just devour it. Like the girl probably did tired of we eat her for her lunch, but she was very kind. Like sometimes she literally call me and say, yo, I'm gonna bring this, you want some, whatever. And I thought that was just so sweet of her. And that was the first time that I had sardines like that in like a salad form with like sweet corn, because the sweet corn really adds like the perfect touch. I kid you not. I hope you guys try this. And as I said, you can have it with your crackers, your bread, whatever you want. I'm gonna have it with some crackers now because the girl is hungry. And it's very crunchy. You can even have it on its own. You don't need nothing with this. So yeah, we'll eat this. Try to finish up some work. Try call back Sugar and Spice because them not answer them phone. Hopefully the rain don't fall. Or hopefully it doesn't rain. My English teacher will be so proud of me. Anyway, we'll get the boys in later. So I'll see what we can do. In the meantime, and get this place. Get out of this place. Whoever knew. Hi, I'm here. 12 noon is okay?
What price cake?
The one for 9,800.
Get banned from now.
I think it's 8 by 12 or something like that.
12 by 16.
12 by 16, yes. Is it possible to have a picture printed on it?
We don't take design over the phone. You have to come to the shop and see. We don't take order.
Yeah, they say them don't take order over the phone. Since when? Usually I send an email. I'm so confused. I don't want to have to go in tomorrow. Ah, boy, I'm gonna call Jason.
You got a rubber.
I'm on the phone, boys. I'm on the phone, boys. Jamir, so when we get home, you're not getting any tablets, but you don't listen. Hi. Finally got through to them. They're gonna tell me that they don't take those orders over the phone. We are tap for. I like the lady I tell. But we have to come in. Can you go in and place it? Say if you come in and place it tomorrow, today or tomorrow, we can get it Thursday. Is that possible? More send Tabby. You think Tabby could have done it? But they might need deposit.
Try tomorrow.
Sure.
Try tomorrow.
Huh? Okay, thank you.
Why did you leave your jam burger?
Alright, so Jason's gonna go. People may sweat. I don't know if I can see like the sweat palm me, but the place hot. And I just can't. Boys, get your stuff. I'm over this day, right? I've never heard this in my life. We've always ordered the cake via email. The lady gonna say she don't want it online. So I'm staying there, so when them just don't want them work. I'm sure no say email orders are accepted, guys. Or maybe them change them policy, but up to last year you tell me say they might take order. Comment and let me know if you guys have ever ordered from Sugar and Spice and them tell if you come in come place order, because I've never heard of that. Get your stuff, my loves. Need to go inside, go lie down.
I'm holding 4 things right now.
Javi, are you excited for your birthday?
I'm going to be my birthday.
Tell me why I look for the phone and the phone don't appear, so I'm really getting crazy. Javi, are you excited for your birthday?
It's gonna be my birthday. It's gonna be.
What are you most excited about? What are you most excited about?
Having fun and being my birthday.
Having fun at your birthday? Alright, no problem. Let's go. Jamir, why are you carrying all of these things? I'm not sure I understand what. All the bags.
Alligator. I am 7% beating one alligator.
You ever been alligator before?
One hit. I can beat the alligator with one hit. I can beat alligator with 0 hits.
How are you going to do that? Close the garage.
By kicking it in the by going in the mouth and then cutting his inside open.
What? Go pick off the clothes. I don't know where them get it from.
Oh heck no! Why can't I do that?
Because that's not nice.
It's an animal. That will eat me.
Animals have rights too.
What is that?
Animals have rights too. Alright, get your stuff, boys, and let's go find something to eat. What you want for lunch? You ate already? You ate already, Jamir?
Well, I'm still hungry after I ate 2 things.
So what you want to eat?
And Mommy, I ate my thing, and I didn't eat the dog food because I went to a different class and none of them wanted my dog food on my table.
Okay, should I go back over your class and give her a then?
Just my baby. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh my
Jamie, why are you on the floor?
La 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 la. La 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 la.